Let's talk about one of nature's most important jobs, mating. It's a process that's been happening for millions of years, shaping the world as we know it. Whether you're a tiny insect or a massive mammal, the drive to find a partner and create new life is at the heart of every animal's story. Every creature, from the minuscule flea to the gigantic blue whale, must ensure the next generation. This is the thread that connects all living things, weaving together the tapestry of life on Earth. No matter how different animals may seem, they all share this common goal. Mating is how species keep their stories going. Without it, the world would be silent, empty of the songs, calls, and footsteps of new generations. It's the reason we see such incredible diversity in the animal kingdom, with each species finding its own way to continue the story. Each animal carries a unique recipe for life, passed from parent to offspring. These recipes are written in DNA, and every new generation is a fresh chapter in the ongoing adventure of life. But first, parents must find each other, and that's where the adventure begins. The search for a mate can be a journey filled with challenges, surprises, and sometimes even danger. It's rarely simple. There are dances, songs, and sometimes fierce competitions. Some animals put on dazzling displays, while others battle rivals or serenade potential partners with unique calls. All this effort is for one purpose: to create new life and continue the family line. The rituals and challenges are all part of ensuring that the next generation has the best possible start. Across the world, animals put on their best shows, bright colors, bold sounds, and impressive displays, to attract a mate. From the flash of a peacock's tail to the chorus of frogs at dusk, these performances are nature's way of saying, "Pick me." This isn't just about individuals, it's about the survival of entire species. Each successful pairing means another chance for a species to thrive, adapt, and continue its legacy. Each species has its own unique rituals, like families with their own tea traditions. Some are elaborate, some are simple, but all are essential to the story of life. By watching these rituals, we glimpse the secret lives of animals and what it takes to survive. We see the creativity, determination, and sometimes even the humor in their quest for love. So, let's pull back the curtain and witness some of nature's most spectacular mating spectacles. Get ready to be amazed by the lengths animals will go to for a chance at love. The show is about to begin, and you won't want to miss a single moment of this wild, wonderful performance. Birds are the true showmen of the animal kingdom, dazzling us with their vibrant colors, elaborate dances, and enchanting songs. Their world is a stage, and every day is a performance. When it comes to finding a mate, birds pull out all the stops, transforming forests, meadows, and even icy shores into theaters of romance and competition. Take the peacock. He unfurls his dazzling tail, shakes his feathers, and puts on a mesmerizing display to impress the peon. Each feather shimmers with iridescent color, and every movement is carefully choreographed to catch your eye. Bowerbirds, on the other hand, are master architects. The males build and decorate elaborate bowers with colorful objects, especially blue trinkets, to attract females. Their creativity knows no bounds. Some even use flowers, berries, or shiny bits of glass. If a female likes his design, she might choose him as her mate. The bower becomes a gallery, and the female is the discerning art critic. For many birds, song is the key. Male songbirds sing complex tunes to advertise their strength and health. Each melody is unique, a signature that tells a story of survival and skill. The more beautiful and intricate the song, the better the chances of attracting a mate. Females listen closely, judging every note and trill. Albatrosses perform intricate dances with their partners, sometimes for years before raising a chick. Their synchronized steps and gentle calls build trust and strengthen their lifelong bonds. Adelie penguins offer pebbles as gifts. If the female accepts, they become a pair. These simple stones are tokens of affection and the foundation for their future nest. These rituals, songs, dances, gifts, are all ways birds communicate and choose the best partner. Each species has its own traditions, passed down through generations. Each display is a test of skill, creativity, and fitness. Only the most impressive performers win the chance to pass on their genes. The variety is endless, from the tiniest wren trilling in the underbrush to the grandest swan gliding across a moonlit lake. Every bird has its own way of saying, "Choose me." Every performance is a bid for love and the future of their kind. These rituals ensure that only the healthiest, most creative, and most dedicated birds become parents. In the world of birds, the stage is always set for romance. The forest, the field, the shore, all become arenas for these spectacular displays. Their displays are as much about survival as they are about beauty. Each act is a delicate balance between attracting a mate and avoiding predators. It's nature's most colorful concert, a never-ending symphony of song and dance where every note and every step is a celebration of life itself. Among mammals, the quest to mate is often a dramatic contest of strength, endurance, and willpower. It's a test that pushes individuals to their limits, revealing not just physical power but also determination and strategy. Red deer stags clash antlers in fierce, ritualized battles. These duels can last for hours, with each stag pushing, shoving, and wrestling for dominance. The winner, battered but triumphant, earns the right to mate and pass on his genes. Lions, on the other hand, use their manes as bold signals. Darker, fuller manes mean stronger, healthier males. A mane is more than just fur, it's a badge of honor, a sign of resilience and fighting spirit. Lionesses carefully observe, choosing the best protector for their cubs. Their choice shapes the pride's future, ensuring only the fittest genes survive. In the vast ocean, humpback whales sing haunting, complex songs that travel for miles beneath the waves. These melodies attract females and challenge rival males, echoing through the deep blue. Each whale population has its own unique song, evolving over time as new notes and phrases are added. These ever-changing tunes are a living record of competition and creativity. Even porcupines, with their formidable quills, have their own delicate rituals. Females flatten their quills, allowing careful, safe mating, a moment of surprising tenderness in a world of armor. Across the animal kingdom, mammals prove their worth through displays of power, endurance, and sometimes unexpected gentleness. These moments reveal the complexity of courtship. These displays are honest signals of fitness and leadership, helping females choose partners who will give their offspring the best chance at survival. Whether roaring, singing, or showing off in elaborate displays, the goal is always the same: to be chosen, to stand out from the crowd, and to secure a future. The competition is fierce and the stakes are high. For many, the reward is not just a mate but the chance to shape the next generation and ensure the survival of their kind. Every contest, every display, is a step in the ancient dance of survival, a performance where only the best will succeed. Mammals show us that love can be both a battle and a bond, a struggle and a partnership all at once. The wild is full of drama, and every winner writes the next chapter in the ongoing story of life. Reptiles may seem cold, but their mating rituals are driven by ancient instincts. Male crocodiles bellow and slap the water, creating dramatic displays to attract mates and warn rivals. Garter snakes form massive mating balls, with dozens of males vying for a single female. Persistence and position win the day in this slow-motion contest. Anole lizards do push-ups and flash colorful dewlaps to show off their health. The brighter and more energetic, the better their chances. Some reptiles, like Komodo dragons, can even reproduce without a mate through parthenogenesis. This ensures survival when mates are scarce. Reptilian rituals may be ancient, but they're just as vital and inventive as any other. Instinct finds a way, no matter how old the lineage. Insects take mating to a whole new level of creativity. Fireflies light up the night with unique flashing patterns to find each other. Male nursery web spiders present silk-wrapped gifts to females, a clever way to impress and stay safe. Crickets and cicadas use sound, with songs that reveal their health and vigor. Cicadas' deafening chorus fills entire forests, a powerful call to potential mates. The male giant water bug carries eggs on his back, protecting them until they hatch. A rare case of insect fatherhood. Insects prove that size doesn't limit imagination. Their rituals are fast, inventive, and sometimes downright strange. Every light, song, and gift is a bid for survival. The insect world is a stage for some of nature's most bizarre love stories. Even the smallest creatures play a big part in the dance of life. The ocean's vastness demands unique mating strategies. Anglerfish males, tiny compared to females, fuse with their partners for life, ensuring they're never apart in the deep sea. On coral reefs, male pufferfish create intricate sand art to attract females, masterpieces that double as safe nurseries. If a female approves, she lays her eggs in the center of his creation. Coral reefs also host mass spawning events, with entire colonies releasing eggs and sperm in perfect synchrony. This spectacle increases the odds of new life and keeps the reef thriving. Ocean creatures rely on creativity, timing, and sometimes lifelong bonds. From the darkest depths to the brightest reefs, love finds a way. Every strategy is shaped by the challenges of the sea. The underwater world is full of surprises and spectacular rituals. Mating here is as much about survival as it is about connection. Beneath the waves, the story of life continues in extraordinary ways. All these displays, dancing, singing, fighting, demand enormous energy. Mating is one of the most exhausting tasks an animal faces. Why go to such lengths? Because it's nature's ultimate test of quality. Only the strongest, cleverest, and healthiest succeed. These rituals are honest signals, proof of fitness and good genes. Females choose mates who will give their offspring the best chance. Timing is crucial. Most animals mate when food is plentiful, ensuring their young are born at the best time. The cost is high, but the reward is survival. Every effort is an investment in the future. The cycle of life depends on this hard work. All this effort comes down to one thing: keeping the species alive. Mating bridges generations, mixing genetic blueprints to create diversity. This variation is vital. It helps species adapt to changing environments. Each act of mating weaves a new thread into nature's tapestry. The stakes are high, every ritual is about survival and evolution. The energy and competition reflect the importance of the task. Without this constant renewal, species would fade away. Every chick, cub, or hatchling adds strength to the web of life. Mating is the engine of diversity and resilience. It's the heartbeat of the natural world. From lions' roar to fireflies' flash, animal mating is a spectacular show. Each creature answers the call to create the next generation in its own way. There's no single right strategy. Nature is endlessly inventive. These rituals are more than quirks. They're the essence of survival. The energy poured into mating is an investment in the future. Every display, every song, every dance is part of a story millions of years old. Next time you see a bird sing or squirrels chase, remember, you're witnessing nature's greatest drama. We share our world with countless creatures, each playing a vital role. The story of life is never-ending, wild, and worth celebrating. And with that, let's raise a cup to the wonders of nature.